Any factory-assembled advanced reactor brought to market could help make nuclear power safer and less expensive. But it is liquid-fueled thorium reactors which can completely decouple energy generation from negative environmental impact. Lifter consumes only the unwanted byproduct of existing mining operations.
There's so much rare earths that we're throwing away because of thorium.
One rare earth and usually one thorium atom.
We could solve the rare earth problem without opening any new mines, and we can solve the energy problem without mining either.
We need the thorium, and he needs somebody to get rid of the thorium.
I realized that there was 60 people sitting on the other side of the podium going, do you think there's enough of it? Do you think there's a stable supply?
How much thorium do you think you'll be pulling up a year in your rare earth mine? He goes, I think about 5,000 tons. He goes, is that a lot? I said, well, by my calculations, 5,000 tons of thorium would supply the planet with all of its energy for a year. I said, so your one mine in Missouri would bring up enough thorium without even trying to power the entire planet. He goes, and there's like a zillion other places on Earth that are just like my mine. I mean, it's a nice mine, but it's not unique. It's not like this is the one place on Earth where this is found.